If you're like me, stumbling around your camper at night can be absolutely treacherous. In today's video, I've got the fix for you. Today we're going to be mounting a solar LED motion sensor light on our camper. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. There's no wiring. It's totally removable. Every time you go down the road, you just pop it off. And then once you get to your camp spot, you put it back on, let it charge, and you're good to go for nighttime activities. There won't be any tools necessary. This light is made by On4U. It's a 6,000 lumen light, and it will sense up to 30 feet away. So if you're around your camper, this light will pop on and you'll be able to see everything you need to see. And if you have any little varmints or anything like that roaming around, this will pop on as well and kind of scare them away. So we'll show you how to do it and show you how to install it. These lights you can purchase off Amazon. We'll have the link down below. It comes in a pack of 4 for under 60 bucks. What they do is they give you a mounting bracket. And what we did, it has 3 screw holes in it, but I don't want to screw them to the camper. And less screws in the camper, the better, because of leakage. So I just put on 3M tape on the back. It's double adhesive, and once I clean off the metal, it'll stick for as long as I need it to. And if I lose the light or the light malfunctions or whatever, I can now always take this off. So it's as simple as this. You have the bracket, and the light just pops right down on it, and turn it on, and off we go. We'll have the link for the tape down below as well, and we'll go ahead and install it and try it out. So we're choosing this point here, which is on the front of the camper. It's away from the door, so it won't attract bugs, and it's also going to be able to shine on the hitch, and that's where the main issue is of running into the hitch or whatever. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it off with a little rubbing alcohol and get it so I have a good place to adhere to. So I'm just going to take a little rubbing alcohol, clean up the metal here, and if you have a fiberglass slide, you want to clean that up as well. Just make sure you have a real good surface to bond to. So once it's dry, I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape on the bracket. All right, so I've got the coating off on the tape, and I'm going to go ahead and install that. Make sure that the bevel is on the bottom side. That way it's not upside down. So I'll go ahead and put that on, make sure it's level, and then I'm going to press it. And typically you need to press the tape for about 30 seconds. Alrighty, since that is done and ready to go, we're just going to pop our lights on. And I'll just position those. I want the sensor to be able to pick up any movement that comes around this side. That way it'll turn on prior to coming into the hitch or any vehicle or anything in front of it. So I'll go ahead and move it that way. I'm going to aim my lights down so I don't bug any neighbors or whatnot. And there we go. And then on the back of the unit, there's a little switch right here, and that'll light right up and turn off. So at nighttime, the infrared sensor will pick up any movement or any heat, and it'll automatically come on. So we'll go ahead and test this at night. But the beauty of this is that you can just lift it up, take it with you. If you're in a shady area, you can go ahead and take this with you, put it in the sunlight, let it charge during the day, and go ahead and charge all the way up. And then at nighttime, just pop it back on, and it's ready to go. Just remember to take it off when you're traveling. It will probably pop off and go down the road while you're traveling, and you won't have it anymore. So we'll go ahead and let this charge, and then we'll be back at dark and see how it works. All right, there we go. Check it out. Light works great, and it's super simple, easy to install. It's a great DIY project, and the price is right. All right, well, thanks so much for watching DIY on the House, and if you have any questions, give us a holler. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.